Hi everyone, Crazy Build here. Welcome back to the channel. Today's weather is a little bit cloudy with cool breeze. The high sea tide is 5.3 meter, which is higher as compared to before this. Yup, as you can see, I'm gradually getting more and more familiar with my portable folding kayak wheel. Although it is not perfect, but I'm okay with it. Yay, it's time to stay salty, haha.
Ikan duri namanya.
Yeah, today catches are mostly small sizes fish. Maybe it's due to the high tide with high undercurrent, I guess. The Hangkai 12 horsepower engine is quite heavy for me. With 27 kg and slippery hands, it almost pulls me down. Do any one of you have any idea on how can I improve it? Your suggestions are mostly welcomed and do leave your comments below. I'm willing to give it a try. Haha, who knows, I can make a short video on it. It's time to say goodbye, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.